Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to log into your Lidl account on your Monsieur Cuisine Smart. In order to log into your Lidl account, you can click on login/sign up right here on the top. Well, I didn't click on that. Okay, yeah. Login, sign up, and it'll show up on the screen, you know, the overlay with the Lidl account. So, well, I am connected to Wi-Fi, so let's try that again. Okay, it has loaded. And as you can see, you can enter your email, and once you enter it, or phone number if you select login via phone. Once I click on next, it'll tell me whether I have an account. If you don't have an account on that email, it'll suggest to register. If you do have an account, it'll just ask you for the password. Once it asks for the password, in my case, I can just enter it and go further. It'll now sign me in a moment, once it loads. And there I am, I'm logged in, so I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.